Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's up there besides stars and planets? Well, it's getting pretty crowded. We're in the middle of a massive satellite boom, with thousands of new ones being launched for things like global internet. Companies like Starlink are building what we call Mega-Constellations. But here's the catch. More satellites mean more traffic and more potential for space junk. Every launch, every defunct satellite adds to a growing field of debris orbiting Earth at incredible speeds. A tiny paint chip can hit with the force of a bowling ball. So, how do we keep our cosmic highways clear? Space agencies are developing amazing tech to track this debris and even plans to actively remove it, like cosmic tow trucks. It's a huge challenge, but it's vital for ensuring we can continue to explore and use space safely for generations to come. If you found this interesting, give us a like and subscribe for more space stories. Thanks for watching.